everyone, welcome to Johnny's NetSec YouTube channel. In this episode, I'm gonna show you a way to get Microsoft 365 Business Basic subscription for free. Basically, you just need to pay $0. You will get 10 users for Microsoft 365 Business Basic. You will have 1 terabyte OneDrive. Also, you can use Office apps for the web. You can have Teams. More apps and services included in this plan you can find out from this website. You may thinking this is a scam, but actually I already got it. So just a couple of days ago, I applied for it using the method I recorded in my blog post and successfully got 10 users Microsoft 365 Business Basic plan. This is coming out from engineering feedback program, but now with my method here, we are able to continue to apply for it, even it's not showing it under your admin portal. So now let's start it. Actually, the steps are pretty simple. To get that business subscription, you will need to be a global admin for your work domain Azure AD. From there, you can order business subscription. If you are not global admin, that's still fine. You will need to have M365 account with your personal email address, and then you can log into your Azure using your M365 account. Of course, you still need to have a custom domain. After that, we're gonna create a global admin account with your custom domain. Then we order M365 Business Basic subscription using following link. Of course, we need to use a new created global admin account to log in to order it. So I'm logged in my Azure account using a new created personal Gmail account. The only subscription I have is pay-as-you-go. If you go to Azure Active Directory, you will see I only have one user, default user here. And from the custom domain name, I only have built-in on Microsoft.com domain name here. I don't have any other domain name. So to get this Microsoft 365 Business Basic subscription, you will need to have custom domain name. We need to create a global admin account associated with this custom domain name. Now, what we can do is we can add custom domain. I have domain 51sec.org. We can add it. Very simple. And you need to add txt record from your domain registrar service provider. So I'm using Cloudflare. We can add a record with txt record and then paste content here. Save. So we add new txt record into my Cloudflare DNS Management Center. After this step done, you can do verify. It may take 1 or 2 minutes to let your new txt record take into effect. It says it's up to 72 hours, but usually just a couple minutes, you should be able to verify for it. I will pause the video recording for a couple minutes, then until it's verified, then we will continue. after waited 2-3 minutes, we are able to verify for it. So we're gonna make primary. Yes. Let's go back default directory, and then you can see there's 2 domains on the custom domain page. So 51sec.org became the primary, now verified. Now we should be able to create a new user. Let's call it admin. First name admin. I'm gonna create my own password. I'm gonna assign global admin rule for it, because we're gonna using this account to apply our Microsoft 365 Business Basic subscription. All other steps has been done. Now we need to focus on the last step, which is go to this URL to order our M365 Business Basic subscription. Now it is asking you pick account to log in. So we're gonna use a new account we just created, which is admin. The password. You may be asked to update your password since this is first time to log in. After you change your password, then you will be redirected to an ordering page for this Microsoft 365 Business Basic subscription, and it is coming from engineering feedback program. Even on this page, some images is not showing correctly, but you still be able to order this subscription without paying 1 cent. So I'm gonna choose pay for a full year, and here at the most you can get 10 users for your list subscription. 10 users. Check out now. So now you need to fill in the addresses. You cannot skip for it. You can go online to generate any address you want. So for me, I'm going to use in this address, phone number. You can put any. So how does this look? Microsoft 365 Business Basic Engineering Feedback Program, 1 year term, $0 per year. Even when you renew it, it will be $0, and it's for 10 users. Next. So it's asking how do you want to pay. You don't have to enter your credit card information. You can just pay by invoice using your address. Place order. Now you need to be more patient to wait this order to be completed. So now you can see your order has been successfully placed. So it's now setting up your subscription for you. Don't close this window yet. Let's go back to our Azure portal. We'll still log in with our original personal account. Let's take it to the licenses. take a look at all products. Now you should be able to see Microsoft 365 Business Basic from your license page. That's all for my this video. I hope you enjoyed it and found some useful information from this episode. If you do, please give me a thumb up and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching and see you in my next episode.